Welcome back. I haven't done one of these videos in a long time, but some of the folks that have been leaving comments really fired me up and encouraged me to do so. So thank you for that. I appreciate the comments. And you know, people have been just naturally finding these videos online, which is awesome. I think the entire reason for creating the content is if we're in a unpredictable situation or a brand new situation, the first thing we do is kind of search out an answer online. And that was kind of the purpose of these, and so thank you for finding them the way you all have, and thank you even more for kind of liking and commenting too, because that's really what helps drive this engine for me to kind of continue to do these. But today we are going to show you how to put socks on. Socks are kind of difficult, but this is socks on a baby, and so we'll get into this now, and I hope this helps you guys. All right, take care. All right, so here we go. Basically, the first step is to take your toe and prepare the sock on your foot. Okay, hold on. And then basically you're giving it an opening. So her toe is gonna go right here, right? And toe up. And then I usually put my finger on the back side of her foot and kind of push her foot into place. And once I get the top part on, it's easier to get the bottom part on. Okay. And then you kind of fix it a little bit and make sure it's not too tight. There we go, and that's one. Okay, and then now we do the other. All right. Okay, good job. All right, and then we make sure it's not too tight. Okay, all done. Okay, so I do kind of pants the exact same way. I have the child sit down on their bottom first, and I basically use my toe in the same format so that I can hold, one side of the pants with my toe and kind of slide it on the legs and jimmy it up. And then I just use my hand and kind of work each foot through each leg hole, and then stand the child up and then pull the pants up. But I can do another video on that a little bit later. But this was just for socks today. This works on infants as well. This is the exact same way that I used for infants. Any child really that needs help putting a sock on. With infants is kind of easier because you get to lay the baby down for a moment, and instead of putting the sock on horizontally, you're putting the sock on vertically because the toes are sticking up in the air. But either way, same thing. So good luck. I hope that works, and go Steelers.